If you like me and you do like to have the odd drink, a glass of wine, champagne, or even a beer every now and again, and you're trying to lose weight or body fat or gain muscle, why are those odd drinks an issue? Well, I'm not a calorie counter. I don't like to count my calories. However, it makes sense that if you're going to consume a large number of calories that you're not going to be using, the natural inclination is you're going to put on weight. And vice versa, if you're going to be consuming less calories than you're expending, the likelihood is that you're going to lose a few pounds. So your normal food units are protein, carbohydrates, and fat, and protein and carbohydrates have around 4 calories per gram. Fats have 9 calories per gram, so are quite energy dense. What about alcohol? Well, have you thought about that? For every unit of alcohol, every gram of alcohol, it has 7 calories. But in addition to that, you've got to take into account the carbohydrates that are in alcohol. So for every gram of carbohydrate in that beverage, there are 4 calories. And it's pretty easy to drink, so you can have 4 or 5 drinks and actually take in quite a large number of calories. So my tip of the day is cut down on your alcoholic beverages.